Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this smoky eyes look with a black eyeshadow, and I'm going to use some nude lips with it. So let's get started. So here my face is prepared. I've just put on moisturizer and sunscreen. Now I'm doing the foundation. So I'm using this Lakme Foundation. I dropped the bottle last time if you have seen my previous video. So since today I'm going for a very natural basic look, I'm not going to put a lot of foundation. So what I do is I use my fingers and put these tiny little drops on my face, and then I'm going to use this foundation brush to just blend the foundation really well. My trick here is not to put too much foundation. Why? Because I don't like the cakey look, and I want my face to look really natural when I step out or when I take photographs. So the key is to keep blending as long as you don't see any product on your face. So that is what I'm doing here right now. And as you can see, I've also put some on my neck, so I'm going to blend the neck as well, because you want your face and neck to look the same. And so the next step is the eyebrows. So what I do here is, as you can see, I'm lining the eyebrows very lightly. You need your hand to be very light and gentle here. So I'm doing that on both the eyebrows, and then I'm just outline them and then just fill it in. So I'm using a very light brown color here for my eyebrows. I'm not going for this dark black, because this is the one that matches my hair and my face. So yeah, I'm using brown. So this is how you want to brush them, really lightly and gently, and just correct if you think both of the eyebrows are not matching, which happens like most of the time. And then I'm just going to use the brush that came with the pencil to brush them lightly, as you can see. And this is how it's going to look, the airbrushed eyebrow finished look. That is a trend right now, if you don't know. Okay, moving on, putting the kajal. Now I've started doing this new thing recently, is putting the kajal on the waterline. So now let's move on to the eyeshadow. First I'm putting a very, very light peach kind of a shade on both my eyelids, covering them as much as I can, almost near the eyebrows. Then I'm going to use this dark glittery black smoky eyeshadow on both the eyelids, and I'm going to cover half of my eyelids with that. And I love how beautiful this one is. This is from Studio West, which is a brand that you can find in West Side. That's where I bought it from. So see, I've covered. Now I'm going to use this lighter silver gray, kind of silver glittery shade, and top it off. And my next step is going to be mascara and eyeliner, just to make it look really natural. I'm using the mascara from Lotus Herbals, since their products are quite, good for your skin. And then I'll just put up a little bit of blush and a little bit of highlighter. Also, my kajal was also from Lotus Herbals. And my eyeliner that I'm going to use now is from Maybelline. This is this Hyper Glossy eyeliner. It's so shiny, jet dark black, and it's so beautiful after you apply it. Last step is this beautiful lipstick from Burberry. It's a nude shade, and my look is ready. I hope you guys like this look, you like this video and how I created it, because I'm putting lots of effort to make my videos interesting for you guys. But please do leave a comment whether or not you like it, because I want to know what you genuinely feel. Thank you for watching the video. See you. Goodbye.